Are you looking for a new home? Do you want to find one that is ready to move in, or do you prefer to customize it to your own tastes and needs? Many of our clients choose to buy homes that allow them to express themselves and create spaces that suit their lifestyle, priorities, and dreams. My name is Paulina and we're BauTeam. We're experts in designing high-end, German-made kitchens, closets, bathrooms, and other living spaces. Welcome to another project we've completed a year ago in Milton, Massachusetts. Today, I'm thrilled to show you one of our cabinetry lines that we haven't featured yet in our videos. Meet Burger, or Burg for short. Burg is a modern and transitional line that you can find at our Lynnfield showroom. You may wonder how Burg differs from BauTeam, another line that we offer. Well, both lines have many colors and finishes in common, but BauTeam has more options for customization, while Burg focuses on the most popular choices. However, both lines are exceptionally high quality, using German materials, hardware, and organization solutions. In this kitchen, we used white high gloss, lacquered finish, and handless channel opening, and wood finish accent. To keep this project the most cost-effective, we utilized standard size cabinets, and we matched the paneling around the ovens with our spacing paneling. This also added additional consistency of the lines. The old kitchen was quite outdated in a traditional style and had an L shape, and this is how it looked before renovation. Our clients wanted us to modernize and design the perfect layout for their kitchen. We worked with them to refine the design until it met their needs and preferences. One of their main requests was to have a seating area for the family. Since the space did not allow for an island, we came up with a peninsula with an overhang. To avoid blocking the windows, we angled the cabinetry near the window and extended the peninsula with seating into the room. We added an inlay with wood finish to highlight the area under the overhang, and we also integrated clients' appliances into the design: a Bosch cooktop and dishwasher, and LG double oven and fridge. We as well provided Falmic hood to accommodate sufficient clearance between the cooktop and ventilation. With ample storage and flow, our clients can enjoy cooking, gathering, and entertaining. The kitchen truly became the heart of this home. Our highly experienced team has completed numerous projects in Greater Boston area and beyond. With 3 locations in Newton, Boston, and Lynnfield featuring different cabinetry collections, I'm confident we will find the right solution for you. We would love to hear your feedback on this design and the Burg cabinetry collection. Please share your thoughts with us in the comments. And if you're interested in working with us, don't hesitate to reach out. We will be happy to assist. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a great one. Bye.